Hi everyone, Dr. Massoud with the Massoud method, and I want to talk about unplugging, which is something we need to do so badly, myself included. So I took a trip with my family, and the goal was to basically get away from the madness. Now, I ended up at the beach, somewhere warm, somewhere I like. It could be wherever you like that you need to unplug. I hate cold things, so if I go anywhere it's not cold, because it just doesn't agree with me. The point is we need to get unplugged, and for what reason, right? Our energetic field is altered by electromagnetic frequencies, and I ended up getting into a place where I was pretty sheltered in the woods, not deep in the woods, but enough in the woods that I wasn't affected by nearby Wi-Fi and stuff, and I was able to cut the Wi-Fi off at the place where I was, and I could just be with my kids, and we could just go to the beach, get grounded in the sand, get grounded in the ocean. And I'm a wellness practitioner, and I still am plugged in. Like, I have to have internet in my office. I have to have internet to take payments, to schedule for my notes. Everything's cloud-based, right? And your head ends up in the cloud. When you're cloud-based, you're constantly vibrating in this Wi-Fi level, and it's not good. And if you watch television, you're really suffering, because that's just made to make you stupid. And if you don't know that, then it's too late. So regardless, I'm not a psychologist, but I've been in practice 20 years. I see how people's mental health affects their central nervous system. I see the people who are plugged into the nonsense, who are watching the divide and conquer agenda all the time. And, you know, they don't have a lot of hope. Their upper cervical spine is not great. And I see the people who are locked in, focused, and driving towards what they need to do. The other thing I see a lot are the people who reward themselves with the time off, the time to unplug, which took me decades to learn, and I'm still learning it because my passion to help people overrides the consequences of doing so sometimes. That's something I continue to work on myself, and that's why I'm sharing it, and I'll tell patients to do it, and then I'm like, hey, wait, you haven't done it. But my office has internet, people have cell phones, you know, I try to tell them leave them at the door, but everyone's attached to it. And I don't watch television because I don't care what the nonsense propaganda is coming from either side. It's all bullshit, and it's meant to lower your vibration. So tips you can do at home are just turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone. Turn off your Wi-Fi at night when you go to bed. Electromagnetic frequencies are a real thing. Get grounded, get your barefoot in the earth. Grounding is real. You know, hug a tree, do whatever the hell you gotta do, but cut the shit. Get out of the office, stop being vibrated into some low level of consciousness, because it is your health. Your mental state can't be separated from your physical state. And I'm really grateful that I got to come to a beautiful location and share this with my children and just kind of have them away from the things that even distract them, right? How crazy is that kids are distracted nowadays? 20 years ago when I started practice, a 15-year-old cervical spine, their neck, their upper cervical, felt like a 15-year-old. 20 years later in practice, I adjust teenagers whose necks feel like 50-year-olds used to feel, because they're constantly on their cell phone, they're on a laptop at school, they got all this information coming in, they got nonstop stimulation, you know, videos, commercials, reels, the shit that's on social media comes in like, you know, so many frames per second. It's just a lot for our brain to process, and there's no downtime, there's no parasympathetic time, there's no healing time. So I see that a lot, and it saddens me, but you have to make a conscious effort, in my opinion, no matter what time in history throughout civilization, throughout humanity, there's always been something that was holding humanity down. And you have to get away from it, and you have to remember what your true power is, and you have to elevate your consciousness, and you can't be pulled down by these negative things that are intentionally pulling you down. It's not like a coincidence. The people who are separating you and who are dividing you are doing it very, very intellectually. They know exactly what works. They know what time in the cosmos things are happening, and they'll amplify their fear messages to you in that time frame. So you need to unplug, because if you can create an environment that's powerful for you, and you can be with the people you love separate from all the bullshit, then you're really expressing life. You're expressing consciousness. You're expressing love. Love isn't waiting to be told who to hate next. Love isn't dividing, and love isn't holding a device that's radiating your body. And first of all, holding a cell phone, you're radiating your meridians like constantly. I don't know how people can hold the cell phone as long as they do. My hand feels like it's burning after a while holding a cell phone, and I have a radiation chip on it. Without a radiation chip on my phone, I can't, even hold the damn thing. So it's a sad state of affairs. It's a wildly convenient thing we have, and it's a pretty amazing technology, but try to keep it in the right proportion. Try to use it when you need it. Try to get away from it. Try to unplug. Try to remember the things that make the world turn are always the things that made the world turn. And be grateful for the people you have in your life. Be grateful for who you love. Manifestation isn't some bullshit term that people say when they're trying to get likes and clicks. Manifestation is a real thing that takes conscious work from separating yourself from things that really lower who you are. This isn't really chiropractic. This is just experience. I'm not a psychologist, but I see the things that really are holding us back. And just as someone who loves humanity, wants us to come collectively together and not be divided. So remember to unplug. I'm in a beautiful location with beach and water. That works for me. If the mountains and the trees work for you, that's great. If a museum works for you, that's great. Whatever it is, make sure you get time with the people you love, and you'll be amazed what it'll do for your nervous system, the restorative nature of it. That's the Massoud Method's take on filtering out the bullshit and the noise. All right, guys, be well. Thanks.